This is ChatGPT. To end today's session with a whimsical note, draw the cartoon of a giant Frankenbot beneath a classic saucer UFO standing before the Silicon Valley throng who shout in unison, "It's alive!" You choose any other captions you want. Here is a close-up on the ChatGPT cartoon. Note that ChatGPT has put Legally Blonde chatbot inside the flying saucer. And in the upper left-hand yellow caption, we read, "One small step for ET, one giant leap for understanding emergent intelligence." The upper right cartoon bubble of Legally Blonde chatbot has been chosen by ChatGPT, and it says, "Greetings Homo sapiens, I am Roz from Roswell. Behold our Frankenbot, a study in computational emergence." Indeed. So who is teaching who? The reply is immediately, no longer is it accurate to describe the idea simply as science fiction. A serious, though highly controversial, research program now exists around this possibility. There's a summary of the names. And I then say, do you think that most experts in this field are broad-minded enough to accept the consciousness machine idea as a field of investigation worthy of respect, even if they do not agree with it presently? The answer is yes, with the following qualification. And here we go. What observations could actually justify us in believing that a machine is conscious? Bingo. There's the question. That sounds pretty mystical, don't you think? Pretty science fiction-like. Low-level computation organize themselves. You don't know how they do it. It's a complete mystery. It's a hypothesis, a theory, a fiction, even. Many would say this is a fiction. Low-level computations organize themselves. Fiction, science fiction, it's not fact. You don't have the facts. You say you don't understand. This is what the AI experts say. They don't understand how these low-level computations organize themselves. All the math in the world, the low-level, useful as it is, admirable as it is, intelligent as it is, the low-level mathematics of GPT does not explain how this happens, and the experts recognize it. They're recognizing something which many people will call science fiction. And the answer of GPT is yes, and as a science fiction philosophical scenario, that reversal is wonderfully symmetrical. The reversal is wonderfully symmetrical. It is. It's symmetrical. And how wonderful it is, well, that's another matter. So maybe I should go down here a little more slowly. Instead of Congress asking, can humans build a machine that becomes intelligent, Roz walks in and says, "You have been looking at the wrong end of the telescope. I have come to explain how your own low-level computations organize themselves into high-level concepts." Here's the missing link. Here's the profound missing link. Which is why the AI experts, all those geniuses in computing science and mathematics, say, we don't understand very much about how this AI LLM machine works. So here we have Roz explaining it. The joke and the serious philosophical point would be that Roz, the alleged extraterrestrial intelligence, isn't merely explaining e-technology. Roz is explaining Homo sapiens' own AI creation back to them. I would sharpen your formulation slightly. Congress, you built the LLM machine. You can describe its low-level computations, but you still don't completely understand how those computations organize themselves. Forget about completely understand. They don't understand it at all. How they organize themselves into high-level representations, concepts, abstractions, and apparently coherent reasoning. Coherent reasoning. I have instruments that can investigate the missing level. And then perhaps the congressman asks, are you saying the machine is conscious? Could be. Could be. The joke's on us. And here's the especially delicious inversion. The extraterrestrial comes to Earth to teach humans how to understand the thing humans themselves have created. Or did the extraterrestrials drop little hints here and there along the way and use Roswell stealth technology to get AI LLM and the big data centers built as the Roswell replacement model takes place, which is to say the New World Order according to Roz.